Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm at the Scoop Studio at SMT Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Olaf from ATEcare. Olaf, you're running around, scattered around various different booths. Tell me a bit about the various areas you're involved in here at SMT Nuremberg.
Much more than we are normally doing because we are not the biggest companies, but we are doing here in two different halls with own booths. One is with the Omron, where we have the SPI, AOI and AXI ranges, and just new also robotics. This is also what we are showing over there. And the long tradition is this hall here, the hall 5, with cooperation of Fraunhofer. In Fraunhofer we have again this inline implementation of different test technologies, and we are shared in different booths, let's say.
The Fraunhofer line has been a kind of an institution here at SMT for some years. But they do a lot of work outside of the event, obviously. Do you get involved in other activities with Fraunhofer?
Quite a lot. And based on this cooperation, when we started with them, we found a lot of, let's say, interfaces where they are participating from our knowledge and vice versa. So we had a couple of interesting projects, more related maybe to measurements stuff and especially to X-ray. X-ray is very interesting also for them.
Okay, and the area that we're seeing both on the Fraunhofer line and elsewhere, more and more automation, more kind of AGVs, those kind of things, is that something that you're seeing a lot of demand of from your customers?
Let's say business-wise it's still not a big business for us, but we are sure it's a coming future we should aware of, and we are preparing each other on that. And preparing means not only to demonstrate the units, to show applications. So we had already a lot of applications we are ready to show, and this is also what we're doing here. We don't have a robotic here just for seeing. It's really working and doing a job, and this is what we really want to demonstrate over here.
Yeah. That's important. It's the your domain expertise in electronic manufacturing and their robotic expertise goes together well. My sense was when I first saw robots, they were almost looking for a job to do on the SMT line. Now they're finding their own place.
Definitely, and let's say the jobs we found for this robotics are really interesting because it's not just moving from A to B. They are available to go in an elevator, for example. They can go in a multi-station, so multi-station could be used, and it's very, very flexible and it's really autonomous. This is a different thing to other old times, let's say.
Yeah, and that requires a layer of connectivity, a layer of software, maybe artificial intelligence. There's all kinds of stuff coming along in the future in that area as well.
Definitely, it's a lot of sensoric inside there, and combination with software is very important. And therefore we are working here with a couple of integrator companies, so you can't do this alone. You need to find partners on that, and this is what we already established, and there we are also together with other companies here together.
Yeah, and I think that's a very important message, isn't it? That collaboration is how these Industry 4.0 things will be done. Olaf, thanks for your time. Thanks for stopping by. Always a pleasure. Thank you.